Ayan, magandang araw sa ating mga kababayan from Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. Ito po ang inyong lingkod, ang munting tinig ng ordinaryong Filipino. Ang pag-usapan natin ngayon, pero bago po yan, wag niyong kalimutan mag-share, mag-like, at saka subscribe. And pwede rin kayo mag-join sa ating munting tinig community at wag mag-skip ng mga patalastas o advertisement for economically purposes. Okay? So, diretso na tayo sa pag-uusapan natin. Pagbukas ko ng aking Facebook, nakita ko itong mga umiikot na information kaugnay po sa dokumentong lumabas na mula sa Commission on Audit patungkol po sa kay Sara Duterte. Matatandaan na ang opisina kung saan si Sara Duterte ay umupo ilang beses pong nalabasan ng tinatawag na Notice of Disallowances. Siyempre, subject to appeal. Now, based dito sa dokumento na nakita po natin, ayan yung mga nakita po ninyo na dokumento, yan po ay galing po sa Commission on Audit. So, nakalagay dito, Commission, Proper Office of the Commission on Commission Secretary. Siyempre, nilabas ito February 16, 2026. Now, nakalagay dito, sabi niya, this refer to your letter dated January 30, 2026, inquiring on the status of notice of disallowance. Okay, may number siya na 2024-002 dated August 8, 2024, involving the confidential funds of the Office of the Vice President for calendar year 2022. So based on our record, an appeal from the ND or Notice of Disallowances was filed by the Office of the Vice President, and the same is pending for resolution by the Commission proper. So, pending by resolution, ibig sabihin, wala pang desisyon. How come na ipinapakalat ng mga Duterte Dehad supporters na cleared? Ito, very truly yours, Eugenio R. Dizon, Director 4, Commission Secretary. So, how come na kung wala pang resolution by the Commission proper, saan po nanggaling ang findings ng mga Duterte supporter na clear na daw si Sara Duterte? Kasi klaro ito, Notice of Disallowances number 2024-002, close and open parenthesis 2022, dated August 8, 2024, involving the confidential funds of the Office of the Vice President. So, may nag-request, ito yung lumabas. So, ang nangyari dito is, kasi may mga lumalabas na COA documents confirming na the Office of the Vice President, okay, filed an appeal regarding the Notice of Disallowances on the 2022 confidential funds. So, maganda itong iklaro. O, sabi nga ng ating isa sa mga kaibigan natin na walang iba, no, kundi si Ma'am Thea Tan, sinabi niya dito na kailangan yung tinatawag na clarification. Importante na maklaro ito. Kasi yung appeal does not mean clear na po si Sara Duterte dyan. Paano siya makaklear? Kung ang nakalagay dito is, nakalagay dito, based on our record, based on the record of the Commission on Audit, an appeal from the Notice of Disallowances was filed by the Office of the Vice President, and the same is pending for resolution proper by the Commission. So ano yun? Where did they get their findings? Paano nila nasabi na wala ng problema? Ibig sabihin dito, kailangan maklarify. So, oo, dyan tayo given, nag-appeal ang Office of the Vice President sa Commission on Audit, sa Notice of Disallowance na ipinalabas. Pero, wala pang resolution by the commission proper. So, paano yan? No? It simply means, mga kamunting tinig, na ang Office of the Vice President is asking Commission on Audit to reverse the disallowance. Kasi yun ang kanilang yun yung kanilang pending, o yun yung kanilang appeal. It simply means that the OBP is asking para baguhin yung kanilang nilabas na notice of disallowances. Sa kaso na ito, is still pending before the Commission on Audit Commission proper. So the issue has not been resolved yet. Hindi pa po nasolusyonan. So in short, hindi pa ito sarado. Base sa mga nababasa natin na mga analysis, hindi pa po ito case closed at hindi pa clear ang opisina ng Vice Presidente despite the fact that they asked Commission on Audit to reverse the disallowance. Okay? So ang tanong dyan, saan po kumuha ang mga Duterte Dayad supporters ng findings nila na clear na daw po si Sara Duterte? Ano ibig sabihin nito? Sabi nga ni Ma'am Tia, may sarili silang verdict, may sarili silang desisyon. Ibig sabihin na una pa sila before the commission proper. Yung commission proper, wala nga silang resolution dyan na clear na ang opisina ng Vice President. Hindi pa na-reverse yung notice of disallowances. Alam naman natin na nag-apila ang Office of the Vice President, but does not mean na clear na ang Office of the Vice President dito. Mayroon pa rin silang pananagutan, not unless magpalabas po ng tinatawag na another resolution na nagki-clear sa pangalan ni Sara Duterte with as far as the 2022 confidential funds. 2024 series of what we call this 2020 or 2024-002, where the Duterte Dayad supporters acquired the document saying that Sara Duterte is cleared, the Office of the Vice President is cleared, the Commission proper reversed their decision of releasing the notice of disallowance to the OBP. Grabe talaga ka mga amarok ng mga Duterte Dayad supporter na to. Basta lang ang makapagsalita, basta lang na makapagyaw-yaw, basta lamang po makadefend, hindi nila tinitingnan. Kasi pwede naman silang mag-request sa opisina ng Commission on Audit. O mayroon pong kumakalat ngayon mula sa Commission on Audit from the Office of the Commission Secretary stating that, kasi may nag-request, no? Klarong-klaro po yun, ulitin ko. Republic of the Philippines, Commission on Audit, Commission Proper, Office of the Commission Secretary. This referred to the letter dated January 30, 2026, inquiring on the status of the Notice of Disallowances number 2024-002, close and open parentheses, 2022, dated August 8, 2024, involving the confidential funds of the Office of the Vice President for calendar year 2022. So based on the record, the appeal of the Notice of Disallowances from the Notice of Disallowances was filed by the Office of the Vice President and the same time is pending for resolution by the Commission proper. How come na pending for resolution by the Commission proper, mayroon na yung findings, mayroon na yung verdict, mayroon na yung desisyon ang mga DDS na pinangahawakan na wala daw po problema ang Office of the Vice President? Correct? Hindi ba kayo magtataka? Bakit pinapalabas nilang clear na si Sara Duterte? So klaro po sa paliwanag na hindi ibig sabihin nag-apila, clear na si Sara Duterte. Paano siya magiging clear? Paano siya walang pananagutan? Hindi naman po na-reverse ang desisyon ng Notice of Disallowances. Paano siya mag-clear kung ang resolution is pending? Pending for resolution. Wala pang resolution na lumabas. Pending for resolution by the Commission proper. Gets ninyo? Kaya mga Duterte Dayad supporters, magbasa-basa din kayo minsan para hindi kayo magmukhang tanga. Ito po ang inyong lingkod, ang munting tinig ng ordinaryong Pilipino na nagsasabi, huwag kalimutan mag-share, mag-like at saka subscribe. And don't forget to click the notification bell para lagi kayong updated every time na magla-live tayo at mag-upload ng mga videos. Hanggang sa muli, ikaw at ako, tayong lahat. Sa ngayon, ang mga bagong Pilipino sa bagong Pilipinas. Bye!